Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make two-way switch in one light wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single pole MCB circuit breaker, ELCB circuit breaker, two-way switch 1, 2, 3 and 4. Light, phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, output phase connection from MCB to connect ELCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to ELCB circuit breaker, phase connection from ELCB to connect switch 1, switch 1 to switch 2, switch 1 to switch 3 and switch 2 to switch 3, switch 2 to switch 3, again switch 3 to switch 4, again switch 3 to switch 4, L1 and L2 terminal. Output connection from switch 4 common terminal to light, neutral connection from ELCB to connect light. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.